Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Every man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Girl, me tell us a prince I consider marrying me, but it might take too long, so I go ahead and plan the wedding and everything. When I care about him. Alright, girl, I don't know some me a decorate. Oh no, me never tell her. Designs by Raquel, I go take care of that for me. Them got it. Alright then, me will decorate the house for the after party. Designs by Raquel, I go take care of that for me too. Alright, me know say prince now marry you and put a baby in your oven first. So when the baby come, me will take care of the baby shower for the house. You know, me decorate the place and stuff like that. Designs by Raquel, I go take care of that for me too. I have a link with some rental chairs. We can deal with the rental chairs and feel. Oh no, Designs by Raquel. We'll take care of that. Alright, I have a link with some tablecloths. Designs by Raquel! Designs by Raquel! You need me? At all? No. No. Unfortunately, no. No, I won't. Designs by Raquel will take care of everything. The only thing they probably don't do is bake the cake. Yeah.
Suzan, I want to ask you a real question, you know. My body are really the biggest body you ever get.
Yeah, honestly, I can't say that. I don't joke the way I crack a joke I make, but honestly, yeah, you're the biggest.
Yeah. So you not ask if your pussy are the best pussy me ever get. Why you not ask?
Listen to me, my you, because I'm not for ask you that. Me know all them waste gal we used to fuck out there. This are the first natural juice you ever get. All them waste gal we used to fuck out there, them pussy coming like Tampico. Less than 1% juice. Call this tropical rhythm, my youth. Make I feel like a summer went outside a winter.
I just want...
I be a Toyota pussy I used to fuck. My pussy a Ferrari, Maybach, Lamborghini, Rolls Royce.
One
You
question.
ever fuck a girl in a room and JPS cut off the lights and you can't see nothing 'cause in the dark?
Yeah?
And what happened after that?
Nothing.
Exactly, my pussy would have glow in the dark.
Or what? I already fucked him already. What I need to call him back for?
Look at nothing. Shan, come here. Who the blood clot that? My friend Patricia. Oh, your friend. She's your friend. When Andre D gave bun in your blood clot and cheap and broke your heart, who for sure like come cry upon FRR Femi? Oh no, that was Femi. Last night when they did at the party and the DJ said if you're not wearing nobody clothes, put your hand in the ear and you put your hand up in the ear. How for full suit of clothes they wear? FR1 already Femi. Oh no, that was Femi. This morning when you wake up and you never have no panty you put on. Who for baggy you put on? FR Femi. So where the blood clot Patricia come from? Alright, me get the pints. What you want me to do? Tell her to go home. To leave. Pat. Bitch, you have to leave. Suzan. Excuse me? Leave! Shan, me text her when I reach home. No, you won't. Shan, change your number. She go change her number.
Yo, what want me to you?
Shan.
What want me to Shan?
She dead.
What? How you know that?
Me text her about an hour ago and she no text back.
Suzan, that don't mean she dead.
No, she better blood clot dead. Me can't text her an hour ago and you no respond. If she not dead, me go kill her blood clot.
No, she this just post on Instagram 5 minutes ago.
What? Let me see that. What are the blood clot this? No, I'm called girl. Hello? No blood clots. Hello, me stinking dirty blood clot cranny body girl. Me text you about your post on Instagram. Remember who introduced you to Instagram, yeah? Remember who show you how to open my DMs, Remember who show you how to add filter to your dirty ugly picture, them? Remember who post you on Instagram and give you a shout out so you can get your followers? Bye, come off of my phone. That bright.
Suzan, you want?
But you never tell me say your ex text you Merry Christmas.
Oh yeah, should he text me Merry Christmas?
And you text her about Merry Christmas, and that hurt me, no prince, and that hurt me. What you want her Christmas for Merry for? Go live with her.
What?
Go live with her.
I don't want to live with her.
Go live with her. I say go live with her.
tired of this. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. Me no want to live with her.
Don't live with her.
Me no want to live with her.
Don't live with her.
Tired of this.
Don't live with her.
I'm tired of this.
Hello, everybody's officially a new year. This is the year of letting go and let
morning,
God
Suzan.
forgive. What?
Oh, I was just saying good morning.
Bitch, why you think you can't tell me good morning? Me never like you last year, me still not like you this year.
Wow, you know, honestly, I was just really trying to make things.
As I was saying, people, this is the year of letting
This
go.
is the year
and
for
let-
wash your dirty wig.
Hey, girl, stop talking to me. Stop blood
Go
clot
wash your
talk to
dirty
me.
wig. Go wash your dirty wig.
Hey, I'm afraid of you.
Supposed to make your foot lick my little dirty girl.
Better run. Hey, baby.
Just reached the hotel.
How was the flight?
Longest 15 hour of my damn life. Me tired, me jet lag. Want a massage.
I know you're tired. Go and go get some rest.
Alright, baby, me talk to you later. Here. So,
Prince, how the blood clot that?
Susan, me.
No. Prince!
How the fuck
What
you
is
reach
that?
us so quick? Susan, how the fuck you reach us so quick? You don't even have no visa, you don't have no passport, you don't have no ID.
I'm swimming. What the girl there? Prince, what the girl there?
Susan! A long time I tell you for do your ear. Everybody was a talk about it. Me embarrassed to go out with you. Me embarrassed, me tired. I gotta find a new...
But tell yourself, stop bother me. Look what you make me do. Look what you make me do. Prince, wake up. Prince, wake up now. Tell yourself, stop going like you're a big man, cause you get your ass knocked out. Look on this now. Come on. Damn big head. Cho, can't bother. Yeah, man, that's why you get knocked the fuck out. Prince, come give me a hug.
What?
Come give me a hug, no, man. Come on. Some of you curb bitches when them see you. When them a come give you a hug, Prince, psh, slap with that. Come do it with me. Prince, psh, Prince, psh. Come, follow me. Prince, psh, Prince, psh, Prince, psh, Prince, psh, Prince, psh.
So what if it's a fan or something like that?
If it's a fun, alright. Come, give me a hug, I'm show you for them. Me no blood clot care if a fan or AC. Blood clot. That's funny. Let's stop laughing. Laugh now. In a funny again.
All those cloudy days, they fade away when you come my way, baby.
No man, I go suck my toe to them. Prince.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, move that.
Suck it.
Yo, move that.
No, suck it. I go suck my
No.
toe to them. Suck it.
Fuck no.
Suck my toe. No, my toe gets suck.
Susan, no. The toe not even appealing.
Suck it. Suck my toe to them. Suck it. Suck my fucking toe. Suck it. Suck it!
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.